omo de do ne che doctors be ye adwuma che nurses ye adwuma che ukoko na akoto aduane a ye che ye profession no na music no na acting no it is a bibiaba ne wo say ebi aban be so asene yetimi ya ye won say the Shatta ye se sponsors amomo anka mi say Shatta obeye you understand then so no more modern class sponsors no omutie me po omutie nia idea no omu say eye no onso mo so na sene enti ne yeva ne say okoye na sponsors na amoa na enti me so na anka sponsors ya man ka aboa aban so boa na aka bit mama you say enyi wiasa fa na yina.
This is the first time I'm in this AC ever Africa.
Yeah.
The artist are mega concert. You know, that's the key word.
Yeah.
Mega concert.
Hello, I have for you, Mama Quappiah about Poleeno Multimedia. So me and make us say friend I'm strong Poleeno and there. My co-host Papa Quappiah Papa. Quappiah Mama Quappiah.
Ya front to me nya. Boza.
Yeah. My name say lockdown ye den sembebre abakrom ha nkofo esu. Na ohu ne say.
Bra pan yesesum ho ye nya akwayo. Ni nyina de boy ho ban.
Yeah, that's right.
The obi efamu bia no yemfa ne saa because ni nyina mu ne de boy ho ban say be ya yare entimi en spread bebre. Ntino so far so good.
And Africa na Ghana kwa de nyame adom
entu atisi ntino se ba ni se ya mi gidi se ebeboa ama omo a sebi omo anya bi no ye betimi apekwan be so na ese etimi asolve omo de no na ese akwa
I think the president asa I extend the borders now or 2 weeks and senka ebre ya so an osade 2 weeks. I think so.
Nina ni ye muntia
for no boy ejuma.
Ani ye muntia.
And above NPP NDC PP munyina share so I discussion na because we nya man yourself
say ade na echi NDC na echi NPP ni enim sikani enim akora enim akokora we mistake na esu mu so dia na ese I go not. Hey bra Bra, you say the obo wa suspect too. Minimum winting.
Okay. I am Poleeno Multimedia.
Say what you do.
No one say there. Odubebo wa dey fa tutu.
Me nada.
I am Poleeno Multimedia say we nim dada. Na me catch you say Shatta Wale. Shatta
Pa.
Dance or commando.
I say baby.
What breaking history.
Yeah.
I mean, why history on break here? Why
history?
Say what break it and say it be honor. What baby?
That's right.
But we the honor na the whole Africa. I mean, him say even the world cry me nyahu bi but
obia why
nyahu inti make us for now the Africa there a history our make.
Yeah. So 21st century you wo me ya. When say enyama bebre technology take over. So what I say, intino esen u plan u ye bibia business ana bibia na opese u market ya so u dwene internet no okra first for now because enche bia be me say be 5 years 10 years in TV stations na be free system na bibia koye internet. So what I say be say graphic no. So what I say intino say no u plan bibia na u develop bibia na IT world no so as I say technology internet they say they take you over and we no the opportunities be brave then aba so as I say
oton ade I say oton tools now the delivery ka ho a enye baby a oton tools in pen oton but oton a large community obi wo Kaswa na oton or Westlander obi betime ho Kaswa na bia o the delivery ama no but ebi so affairs no Westland for
one be a with me as problem. Branding and I say it's in a boy BBM even church crown and the crown I see your close to churches no churches be no or making great impact our internet no because if you are church members no could be or 500,000 but now no say so for no credit internet is no preaching kwanje asemo with me say nipa be 80,000 100 and something thousand.
If we were broad the number of church members in the
so I say, in the no cry to my ultimately a cry there. And when a business is so advert me cry no be so more followers and our bloggers all the more broadcast amount for to me more other countries near the you know with me purchase.
Okay, we are just the of Poleeno Multimedia. Any business be a this is the time to enter into the IT world no. Say be a business no. It beginning from amount. Now make catch you say Shatta Wale show no you know. Standard like what dream kwetri.
That's right.
The team no team na boy juma.
That's right.
Because me who fly na me who say we say na so wow.
Yeah. I was even surprised. Say Shatta Wale at my bisa.
And the time now or the buy perfect time. I say ubetimi ayo but o dey emphasize say nka lockdown my obi a up and down.
Yeah.
I think say enke nya sa attention. No nke be but ka impact.
Na anya sa lockdown ti na wonya sa idea ne di na say sa idea no ho da.
Ye Arnold Ebeka survives in fire.
Yeah.
See you.
But me I think say lockdown na ontimi and then the fans for no ontimi entertain you money at the event and
if say lockdown a very smart move within this period of time waiting say we can do things like this too. Fans
and we know so no e niam bebre bom ya say e consensus to ten say e kwa e fa niam bebre e de boom e keka bom e de ko we know be kwan bebre na other artists ni so no o me den on be hwe so e de asua because e be kakra no na bia nipa kura ntimi enko ma event ni ade the strategy a wo so na bia ubetimi dia make without say ebi obe koshu na bi ubetimi show fie ko ubetimi ya to me say YouTube den kura no odo no hwe expenses na e ka wa bona eso but ubetimi nya bibi kakra so free YouTube o develop no until no say the followers and I say ne subscribers
no so or just sponsorship.
Yes, sponsorship so come. Yes.
See, almost sponsors never far a stage, no instruments, no anything. Your man getting petty things, no be here. And see, YouTube media, is a gate fee now.
That's right. And so gate fee, no. There's so nyaka kran so if you into what if you crown or adwena wadwene I will make it money. We are saying no bibia in respect to bibia besi bia no. So we finish faster. We bet many baby. Yes, me no more to fee. Amount for me 2 billions of business. I be then you probably brain. Me no tie. Say spiritual. Now who cash and now you ho. E be for transaction and near man now you want. Easy. Any into you. This Shatta Wale dey e born abaso. And now hear stage mount to stage now with him say a professional but one thing na me ba be hwe nyina then na me dwene say quite based on send or the performance na wo ma dwene but make sure performance fans in your crowd in your we say crowd no and ginger o ma vim ma mura ma utimi perform utimi huru ni ade but although no audience ni but with me perform come we bibia man is although na network ni netete ko ni ade with me say bibia akoso kama na band for no so mo ya ade tim so mbo bibia everything was on point
and what say unim live band so ya dey
so ebo na unim say yes so nyina na ye pe live band
and unim me ade like enyoman titi bia say to me, I think next time, oh yeah, so we first time there is more room for improvement.
That's right.
Because fans ni bu wow, mo mpe my men ne chain live band,
no.
Oh
yeah.
And my men so betimi ama no tie nyum no tie beat na so no tie fear was furious. Because man, and round before the show, no, and Shatta fans ni we buy say massa show na ye be no. make sure say unko story be non fa story be amfa ho e dika wo ne miansa
de ofru dua pa ne pian Shatta Wale ade
enye say bia maybe can be na say e wo say ye hwe na say o deserve dia ye beka de enko ye no ye beka se na be ya ye betima tentina ho ne ya the industry because ni ye nyina ye we industry but this show no me rating 90%.
90% wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. Enye bad. Nti me say e bia Istanbul song
first time ever then such improvement.
Yeah.
But the only thing is that now was saying at least more artists 1 or 2 be man performance and underground artist. I think that the young Quappiah so near Arnold Nkasa. MC for the show no and on Mensa. Now on you miss 1 or 2 and as a few questions been on answer. First thing I catch you say call live on the phone no Arnold Mensa CEO of Vibes in 5 editing come because on MC for the show. Senior Ambacho Yama Poleeno Multimedia.
Major Sumina.
Enra mo boy juma yi pa Ghana nyina na say Africa nyina ye ni agem ho pa.
That's it. Yes, wadon.
Na ensama engofo bebre bisa ne say idea we no eba time ben because time now more release here than the perfect time will be any say this is the time it was say adibisa but the timing now more the aba no the best.
Okay. Idea no me just say idea no by a time president man first directive say mobia MP sorry for and sorry mobia enko bibia edom wo na idea no by but me just say be stronger time lockdown and kasaba ya yesimu obia MP enko adwuma obia nhefie nhye ni dem na yembo ya ho ban honom ne ho se no me just say Shatta management no even though I will feel be entertainment because Ubetina board on the set in after a few days. They bring now Mukwejumano quiet to be omukamu to make us from down for to make Fridays a cotton baby Rika Cranum Kakra Dikakra and as standing in a definitely board of Kakra better in and to know as an entertainment person, as an artist, wajidin or you kukudam, or yourself an engine. Again, obit me stay in business, again, obit me the ne fans any, and again, no bit me the abwa. Ama yare na bana ye kan wasem no amanfo beti yare ne nka no mu hu de wo so mo ya yare ne ebi nka o ma no mu nya bi enti no management na asedwen ho decide say sadia so mbi ni se ye ntimi frefra dom embe yo siemu wo fa ko en hwedia obeye ne dia and the omuntineti na omufie na pe udeka na ni stage concert na twene fie na call phone so na computer so na TV so na hwe me se me perform ya mamo eno so de free de ohia ne se obeto wa data now with me dey ahwe we tawantawa bi edi and you know say a very good idea international announce here Emma your own preparations but you just say announce here na amafo be still omonte
the concept na asset
ebi me jiri pa se bebre na afise ebi obetina ni studio honom no wabobo na nyom no to be ana se waba Facebook live bi no waye no concert to say dia we
to stadium na
300 yes ana 200 or 300 pizza kwa akoshe be on security for honom aye be hwe wo ama wa akotena se ahwe concert say koso lighting sound the stage the bia set sana na concept meetings na be intiasia and this is the first time I did see AC ever Africa the artist aye mega concert that's the key word mega concert them aye be me just say manifesting so aye be bisa but we mega concert ya set stage to say yeah concert ama edom ababehwe ya set lights ya set sound live band set what dress ya stage perform it say dia
even the drone shots that was good. I mean
good, you know, yeah, dim in the live, cameraman, what are you trying to live? Into no idea, and the buying on say no, a very perfect idea. And say, oh, yes, me did pass it, will be any aje. And my dear, a man for EG, and besides, I never buy.
Now, idea, mobile so I na say after lockdown, we be say NCB.
Okay, as to whether I say, obekọsọ ayẹ ni deɛ ɛno a yɛ ba bɛpɔn show no ɔka sɛ ɔde kɔ ama no ne ɔde kɔ America koraa adeɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔbɛyɛ bi wɔ America.
Okay.
But as to say ɛbɛyɛ deɛ ɔbɛyɛ no every year and every half a year no but wey no was purposely done to entertain his fans for the lockdown session and for the lockdown period, and also to educate his fans on the dangers of coronavirus and how you can stay safe.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. In as much as our president say practices social distance, and go for bisu feel say wasn't it right saying at least 1 or 2 be pass it through and sana and Shatta pass it through. So the normal issue be no.
Okay. A bad idea say at least 1 or 2 be pass it through. But saying a concert yeah, I said akoji baby. I set the stage ama a dom aba betnasi airsha a be fine say my artists 2, 3, 4, even 10 an underground pattern about 1 or 2 be. But we are dealing with the internet and ubeja to say data board.
Yeah, no correct.
More multimedia data streaming show live no yeah kakra internet say we say ube show bisa na say ube my artist pass it through a kind say Brenna na train kono nti we wadwen say obe no 1 hour artist be ba na say wo ya ko 1 hour 30 minutes or 2 hours no na say ubetimi keep you be streaming live for 2 hours e wo yen your settings ne mo no edom na intimi ne boarding
no correct
ne boarding intino idea ne say ye no short 1 hour ne bibia wom.
Yeah.
See, your chance, my introduction, your born a documentary na performance.
Yeah.
And no.
Shatta Wale. Nessa also data na Shatta na oheno.
Also data na Shatta na oheno. Because and umpuni overrunning about 10 minutes. And to know your fee said it wasn't too good on our part because we promised viewers 1 hour solid.
Yeah.
8 to 9 p.m.
Yeah.
You know, but yeah, overrunning kakra, but yeah, problem because now.
Yeah, no crap. Philippa because all ending na or a base or some base kakra that was the best part.
And the amount for free thing will be why ready. How about the Sony data? Crazy Jack upon.
A good show. A good show.
Good. Okay. Na data yem pese ye bema ye audience na used to be range na when artists
awesome. Okay. Now one thing is say data side no all data and say data board no. Most people no more complain say na streaming no of which say me experience
no streaming no but enumpo entimi and for
from stopping watching.
Yeah. But the unfortunate thing is me just say by now recorded version now smooth. Me just about now management they are trouble. And so wow we share stream one na YouTube you na share me just say original one na smooth recorded one no and all one with me share no we finish on papa to sound good
everything is on
lighting you good set you good stage na set stage work pool na wo fi on so and no pool no perform ya who say nsuo no wo wani na stage na cover there 2/3 of it.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow. Next year, who say video no already no trending on #1 on YouTube, Ghana YouTube channel. And I think say no trending to say that #1. I start say we am and views no so over 180K, barely 24 hours. And so we expect to say video no be 80 million views in no time.
For real.
Yeah.
For real. I was say 80 million views because Ejuma
Jumapa. Na na go for say you can say gate fee ni nyina na moji wo YouTube no. Indirect. Yeah.
O share ya no am start introduction na me ma amanfo hu say yen no live on Facebook and na yen san so yen live on Instagram. YouTube nkwa na yes streaming live into o person o hwa on Facebook timeline, on Instagram timeline, but oko wa link ne na da ho no be kwa click. Now I'm by YouTube. I'm a friend. Me bia cause we YouTube. Your business. You say ma we need you.
Yeah, now so you nyakakra actually boto.
You may idea for you say kwacha
business. You discan ni na so kan on money show business no.
The show ni the man ni business no way.
That's right. That is a perfect deal. Arnold, boss. So say the say after lockdown no me to at your studio na me kakra we bia we bia no Poleeno Multimedia for ya beje ne kakra.
Only how be ma ejuma na de ye na.
Passion sana e beja wa mo akono afutu be na ade ma Ghana ni wiase afa na nyina about the lockdown ne COVID-19 ya abe.
Okay, lockdown ne de ya o mampanyi ne directive intina yampo I was here to me diso. A copy time obe review and now say obeba be my directive for bia near sense diso. Secondly no yare coronavirus no real and deadly utiti information na ekoso ewo amanoni ni ya maimu nkra na timo se enye yare bia wo se ye de agro you know na ye didi agro ntina obi bia otie ni sese ano bo ho ban tina fie oni fie ye wo kroma me pa cho men kokrom chefie hwe wo TV ko phone so acha ye 2 weeks ye de bia ka hwa e bia 1 or extra 2 weeks ntina ye mbomode ase emre we ye nim se enye times are comfortable mo bia but situation no call for such uncomfortable moments and ye mbomode an say ye betimi atena fi na yabon ho ban.
Okay. Ya herefore enda wasi bebre na afutu sema odi amaye no information.
Menso me da say.
Ye da CP ye be kasa bi.
Ye be fa kasa.
Herefore we Arnold vibes in 5 and ne kasa no ono na na MC for the show Shatta Wale show no ono na ye MC nti show no de koye e ba yi nyina na odi amaye no Quappiah Semba cho uti bibia kama
papa unu se
na bo adwuma
yes o ma bo adwuma pa na se na ebe do ma se na ase abo mo apaso se in case na ye penisa na lockdown ba ye san hia
another one it's your more prepared
yeah papa na Poleeno ye bebo team na baso pa mo ayade o mabo adwuma papa we na enye we a wo no kotoa bi sa no to organize such a thing no enye ze nyama bebre den ekom na besin ada sponsors for no so ase omo so betim bes omo so Shatta se a sa adwuma de etimi ba so perfect sa papa na message say other musicians no so omo nsua de Shatta aye nyame nchaade say o say Edem ena manifest so also timi ye bi bet we no wa be no mega so aja say we mega na me say nya no we no mo a me di say ebe bo apa na we say ye ba Shatta de a no say business so ewo ho ono nya adwuma abra on for business enka ho so aja say to where we o my business no my entertainment and no some my awareness
na we kan na say COVID-19 no I was saying ka ban ema ayi
no
ti Jackie Apia wo ka say na ni kwan say obi ono o say ono as Jackie Apia na say ohun de nti o say o ye COVID-19 ho ana say o ma awareness yeah ni kwan say o je a penny
so je a penny
Shatta be reply and say no
thank you
One way I bobo abrewana obesres.
Uli kapre. Pia when say one thing I was say artist and the two more adwene
More fire.
I do be a wuyi bia no so timi eyi so aba. You bia na utwa.
Yeah, no correct.
Musician ade oye as a business na so to nwom a odenya so mfa so.
Yeah. So doctors no more omo say dey on bejiska. On
bejiska doctors ejisika. Pharmaceutical for ema gunu omo say yare omo dey do ne che. Doctors for ye adwuma che, nurses ye adwuma che. Ukoko na akoto aduane a ye che. Ye profession no na music no na acting no. It is a bibiaba na wo say ebi aban be so asene yetimi ya. Ye wan say the Shatta ye. Se sponsors amomo anka mi say Shatta bit obeye. You understand? Then so no more modern class sponsors no omutie ne po omutie ne idea no omu say eye no on so mo so na asene. Enti ne yeva say okoye na sponsors na amoa na. Enti me so na nka sponsors ya man ka aboa aban so boa na aka bit ma ba say enyi wiasa fa na yina. And one thing so stand the educate among for efa
government thing man is kabat or
educate then efa
platform no.
Thank you. And say bia musicians and actors no omu ye bibi emfa ho but the omu be ye enye enough.
But if so onyes kaka
onyes kaka e di be shemu a me giri say bem na ye enema mega. What man say any say amount for ntiase it is say you say obi idea bi aba no hia aban mo a na amount for tenten a no mo ka we because obi a was kwa ofa so den enya ne kakrawa wo de bia wo de fifa for be na enya we so na adwuma ho ye no the profession no obi wo ya actor ne so no na me cha de bi no wo company bi e na no we ni ye ne fa na obi ye bi but obi so taking as a professional say music I am a professional job. Professional job wrong. Yeah. Yes, and I act am professional job. It will be able to be so timinya kakra e film. So what man say? O say our professors be o ho o my professor the be dia po. And your professors be so o my yi. E dey ben e mindset. Bibi o yi bia no, o do be so woni ya uhia. Sponsors uhia nwa. No what me ya ya ye ni wo ho de no, de wo be ye no de kakra bibia na kakra na wo be ye e be ye du baby bet intimi travelers. Entimi emwa bebre what I say enti aye ka say bibi ye bibi na say aban mre mu na amanfo bi tetenchen a de omo kane production ye adwuma we say Shatta e de ne bill e beto say ka mabbo e we say adwuma we enye sika kotoa that what I say
less than 24 hours no wa reach nipa 180,000
of which enye adwuma kotoa. So as any more nya aware so now no be senya kohwe enti e be increase more.
Yeah, no numbers in short time they be do million views.
So what must say? Enti no me de me bona baso pa wa ya de.
I say the fellow musicians.
Your fellow musicians no omo hwe no musua. Omo take internet no, omo take advantage in film.
Okay.
Enye bibia na okwa kodina ate no wakasa nsem hunu saa keke no da hoko. Obi aka bi nsem hunu nko a more na more followers. But in Seville, no mudidi. This is the time as Shatta Wale will be when say a do baby a do business. When you say Jimmy Jimmy na Jimmy dia nya but we do baby I was so going say data no near man na dey here you waste too time you waste too energy you waste too idea and they develop content no and I say website no and I say page na platform no. Enti no aduru baby a de obetuma ye ama manfo na ni age enya mfaso die bi a wo so benye sika bi botom no eno na wo so odwene ho na wo ye eno no boa de enya se chokro na we di we ata we ye we ba we de na be bia mfi mu ma so be funu Shatta ansa na ebi obe to bomb ne niam bi obedi we no na bibi di ekire ba
eba no kra onim show business
onim show business who so onim show na onim business anytime be catchy who be star na nso be di hia most of our artists actors actresses musicians most no bebre na eniye entina Shatta di o matem no again because almost for business idea emuram
okay
we be na so we say okay I do me starting me say no my but echire no this how I dey nyina because ko lu ko me so me nya me kakra wo bi afim
so most of the plan
onu so no ehwe anan so e waste ne time do onu so nya mfaso die bi e den ewe eno na wo say adwina ho papa in a professional we dey pa
me no on say me course ku me IT.
That's right.
Yeah, and me say na IT something na obi onim me bi enim say computer there. O de metina ho na wa ma meduane kra me okay.
That's right.
Me nya me internet me okay.
That's right.
Obi making move bi na about the IT and technology.
Yeah.
Metina sha me bo say. Nti enra me hu ye no. Me feel it.
We feel it.
No, I say me creative content, but
there's so many things now. Social media, internet. I was saying, nipa, a man actually a cost need to make business. People are already making
a huge amount,
billions of billions.
Any business be now. Take it straight to the internet.
Thank you.
Any business be
take advantage of the
and post a picture or Facebook and MOB like Nemo Ninja Keke. Take advantage. Oton meko atwameko no to watch or say location you with delivery number you say.
Thank you.
Here be on free. You deliver, package them, brand or you know, like or product.
That's right.
Never to internet and so. Never the out.
It's a quite different world. It's so thinking big.
Yeah.
It's so thinking great. And I say we are seeing a back.
Yeah.
You say the ever can say a way na an air ban. Umpo Bible na Canada bebem. You be this back. The whole world be back one nation. One religion. Bibia beba. Until now you say now starting so to me starting baby.
And go for
now to me also baby. Because they say now I can say the whole world will be first and so was
and
I know.
They say minim say Poleeno Multimedia I heard for baby I don't for baby e bi o Germany minim so Quappiah.
That's right.
No one make kasa on say Germany for yen ma omo total lockdown but then omo e se face we dey obehwe me. Wolf gang behwe pastor do US obehwe.
That's right.
I mean fans no atre.
I'll be here.
Atre omo China omo Italy like nti
and no can say me na we dey to what the whole world will be at. It's about you for no cry take na Ghana for cry yente.
What I say. And the first me be tie radio afino obi afre na so dem.
Open African way fatu online. About you for them bad order.
Poleeno Multimedia ye pen e be ma that clear way. Platform bia kanchiro.
Memo bia na da obia artist na mesro memo bia na da okọ bibia ye say wa ye na we de bo aban we de we. Wa fo mo de we bi. Be se bi uhie bibia ka. What I say, obi bo wani ma business and any new business first. When you say that be na don't know. Say we only start business. I want to nka okay. You couldn't say. Good times here. Say ni ekono. Ma sign paper contract dey atoso. No ma sign. No you koye.
That's right, mate. I know.
Pia.
And information be also nya be the amount and Shatta Wale and any team no my wonderful job and a great job. I was say all the artists and I say musicians in Ghana and I say even actors so Asia na almost start AAB. And your lockdown time ne pekeke 10 be I say ekoso. I hire Poleeno Multimedia media I'm strong Poleeno there. Ubetimi follow your Instagram Poleeno_com. Subscribe to your YouTube channel no so come on.
Papa yesterday so o man panyi so obi an hyefi emra na wa hye obi an so pepepe a good time say we say omubi eme yekoye adwuma ebekwe mo amoso wo fie na mbetima ye business online so ma bomodin na ma yankopon hye obi a sebe yankopon hye
ato bibia koma onwa bia na ho kire no na waye enye ni nyina na wo say chenchina wo ntwamra camera na obi an so aye adoye bible class oye papa ma on sabako nti menka so a utwa bible nti so bone but so obetimi aye obra on fa camera ensi so a nyame so be hira
but I'm follow me o IG Mr. IG
before I ever come
Instagram Mr. IG
Quappiah
comedy Mr. Quappiah comedy Quappiah na QUAPPIH Mr. Quappiah comedy _ comedy Quappiah QUAPPIH mu follow me on Instagram YouTube the comedy there and a Fabia say where them tisiku among for she to there na me de mama maybe start it to wadaro mamoko ho na ne ma panko na mo somfo Quappiah papa me de brɛ ho
pa